For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
August 5th, 2020 is a historic day for the generations to come as foundation stone laying ceremony of Ram Temple was held in Ayodhya. On one side, all eyes were on Prime Minister Modi. On the other side, BJP MP Tejasvi Surya also caught the attention of many. The MP's controversial tweet said control of state power by Hindus is absolutely essential for sustenance of dharma. Dear Hindus, most important lesson is that control of state power by Hindus is absolutely essential for sustenance of dharma. When we didn't control the state, we lost our temple. When we regained, we rebuilt the 282 in 2014 and 303 in 2019 to Shri Narendra Modi made today possible. He did not just stop there but went on and said that Sanatana Dharma is nationalism. The Sanatana Dharma, that is nationalism, Sri Aurobindo had said in his Uttarpara speech. But what does it mean? Along with Jai Shri Ram, the Purohits also chanted Bharat Mata Ki Jai, that is dharmic nationalism. If dharma survives, India survives. Many people cried foul at this and activist Leo Saldanha demanded MP's resignation. Rashtrapati Bhavan, VP Secretariat. Please note that Tejasvi Surya with this tweet has broken his oath to protect the idea of India as per the oath he took on the sacred Indian Constitution. As per the oath you took to protect India's Constitution, you must suspend this man as MP. Former Lok Ayukta and retired Supreme Court Judge Justice Santosh Hegde also criticized the statement made by Tejasvi Surya. When we have introduced the word secular in our constitution, it can never be the policy of the government to propagate one religion, nor should we say that the policy of one religion be the policy of the government. When these lines get blurred, it is a very sad state of affairs. Congress party was not the one to stay away from the controversy. Shivajinagar MLA Rizwan Arshad also lashed out at the Bengaluru South MP. Dear Tejasvi, what role did the Modi government play in Babri verdict? I thought it was the Supreme Court ruling, unless you are suggesting that Modi influenced the CJI in exchange for an RS seat. Your brand of politics will never do good for anybody except spreading hate and unrest. Surya is no stranger to controversy as some of his tweets have always made it to the headlines. Will the BJP party take action against him, or will Surya keep his detractors silent?